Guys, good morning. At dito na kami sa loob. Nag-breakfast. Bumili lang kami sa labas. May coffee. And then may omelette. Girl. Sinasabi na ni Jana kahapon. Kahapon kung 90% lang ba yun, girl? Of rain. Today, 100%. Over. So parang sabi na ni Jana, pero at least yung mga pinupuntahan namin, walang tao. Grabe yung ulan. Pero kahapon, kahit yung mga Romans, nagsasabi na, I've never seen this empty. Tsaka yung neighborhood kung saan kami nag-dinner kahapon, sabi niya, on a normal day, pag walang ulan, hindi ka daw dun makalakad sa sa streets. Tapos di ka grabe yung pila. Tapos nakaupo kami kahapon ng parang, wala lang, ganun. Sabi nga nila, the Romans get scared when it's raining kasi hindi sila sanay sa ganitong ulan. Tapos sabi pa ni Ella kahapon, the past few days, bago kami dumating, it was fine. Ano yan? Bread. It was fine. Tapos ngayon dumating kami dito, grabe, ulan. Tapos pag-aalis kami, sunny na ulit. Pero, bueno, we'll make the most out of it. Kaya, we'll be fine. Let's go. Look. Hat courtesy of Jana. And you know what, guys? This outfit shouldn't exist. Kasi pang last day ko na to eh. Like yung pa-airport na lang, yung hat hindi ko dapat gagamitin. Pero, since rainy...
Nagsasalita.
Kakalimutan mo nagpa-vlog ako. Ba't daw ako nagsasalita? Pero dahil rainy, we had to rearrange the plans. Kasi kahapon nga, ni isang beses hindi namin nahubad yung coat. And partida naka-indoor kami noon. So, sana makapag-picture. The best metro? Madrid. Medyo old. Grabe.
Bupan State.
Oo, medyo metro ng Madrid siya. I can't believe we're walking in the Colosseum. First, ano natin to? 7 Wonders of the World. Oh, pero 7 Wonders of the World to yung Colosseum. And
Yes.
my gosh!
Charot. Sa Machu Picchu na kami kasi.
Tapos pagdating doon, foggy. Parang minamalas talaga kami sa weather for this holiday.
Ang ganda!
Ang ganda.
Nanonood kayo ng Gladiator. Ito ba dyan?
Hintayin niyo yung video ni Jana.
Kami roots.
So, pupunta na kami sa second level kasi yung tickets namin, first level, which is yung kanina, and then second level sa taas. So, doon na ata talaga yung maulan kasi parang walang bubuo.
Sira na kasi sila guys.
Sumisilip ang araw. Ayan guys, so lumalabas siya. So, ano sabi mo dyan, ha?
Don't be shy.
Don't be shy. Mr. Shan, come out. Dapat ginawa pa na natin yung kay Lizzie McGuire.
Hindi, ano yun?
Yung movie na sa... Di ba dito yun? Wow, guys. Do you see that? A Christmas. Merry Christmas! 24 pa naman ngayon. So, saktong-sakto. Or out! Grabe! Tapos sabi namin, narinig ni Lord yung prayers namin. Tapos sabi mo,
Christmas yun mamaya.
narinig si Pope. Siguro, sabi ni Pope, paanohin mo yung ulan. Oo, yung kahapon. Tapos yung rain talaga today, the whole day thunderstorm. So this is really a miracle. Grabe. We're just now walking and hindi muna kami pumila for the Valentine Hill and Roman Forum. Sobrang haba ng pila. And parang gusto namin i-maximize na hindi umuulan and we have a lot of sites to visit. Like, today din yung Trevi Fountain, ganyan. Kaya, ano muna, sigimos. Let's move forward. Yeah, sayang kasi yung araw. Ang ganda.
Sabas kami, wag niyo na siya pakinggan. Ako na lang pakinggan. Daming tao. Going to Trevi Fountain. Okay, maghanap na kami isa. Dalawa kayo. Panic na ba yun?
We're here. We're walking through the fountain and it's our first time in the center, no? Like center. Kasi kahapon Vatican, so medyo outside. Yung Trastevere kahapon, medyo outside din. So first time to sa center.
So burger guys. Half.
Let's go to Pantheon. The Pantheon, and a lot of people are buried there. Important people. I don't know who, but they're important. Pasensya na guys. Wala kasi yung history geek namin. So, pero na-search na namin to eh. May mga people, important people, nandiyan na nakalibing. Kagaya nung Pantheon sa Paris. You can go in for the line is very long and nag-opt out na lang kami. I think one more. Pwede kami mag-gelato and then pwede muna tayo umuwi before dinner. Kasi medyo malakas na rin ulit yung ulan. But this is it, guys. Look. Merry Christmas, guys! May baby pusa. Last day of Christmas. We're gonna see a few more sites before we head to Florence. Here in Plaza de, I think Espana yung tawag nila. Pero yung spelling, S-P-A-G-N-A. And the steps are here. Alam ko bawal umupo. Oh, may police. This is the famous Spanish Steps. Tapos maraming films ata na na-film dito. Yung sikat na kay Audrey Hepburn and things like that. It's this. It was created 1723. And between 1723 and 1726. Para daw makonect yung hill sa taas. So, yun yung Spanish Steps. Nag-picture lang kami saglit and then we're gonna head to the center again to see maybe yung plaza, yun, Trevi Fountain, maybe the Pantheon. Basta doon lang sa center. Kasi hanggang 1 PM lang yung metro. So, dapat pabalik na kami ng mga 12 something. is the next meal. It's Asian before we go crazy. Merry Christmas! Guys, it was a nice lunch. Super sarap. Dito kami ngayon sa harap ng St. Mary's Major. Dito nakalibing si Pope Francis. And technically parang free pumasok sa loob. Pero may pila and may train kami. So, try namin tignan kung pwede kami pumasok. Ang nabasa ko online is free makita yung tomb niya. Super haba. Masyadong mahaba. And maglalakad pa kami dun sa accommodation namin kasi nandun yung luggage namin. So, alam mo, hindi pa natin sinusearch. Wait. Mag-gelato na lang kami. We got our gelatos. And we're gonna head back now. Walk lang din. Kahit in cold weather, I believe. Girl, is that open? Lulusot lang tayo. We're on our way to Florence. See you in the next vlog. Bye!